Hey, welcome back to Bitter. I recently had a go making my own Yorkshire puddings, and now I wish I'd done so years ago as didn't realise quite how simple it is. First of all, you want to preheat your oven to around 220 degrees. In a non-stick muffin tray, add 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil to each of the muffin things and pop it in the oven to heat the oil. Meanwhile, we're now going to make the batter. Tip 140 grams of self-raising flour into a bowl and beat in 4 eggs. Then, as you're mixing, gradually add 200 ml of milk. You want to continue mixing until it's completely smooth. Season with a bit of salt and pepper and give an extra stir. Right, now we need to remove the tray from the oven. To test if the oil is hot enough, pour in a tiny bit of mixture into one of the holes. It should sizzle as it hits the oil. Fill each hole to the top and then very carefully pop them in the oven. You should see them begin to rise within the first couple of minutes, but if you don't, you may want to consider turning up the temperature of your oven slightly. It needs to be really, really hot. They should be ready after around 10 to 15 minutes, by which time they should be looking pretty puffed up and golden brown.